Welcome to the Industrial Boiler Market Analysis. The global industrial boiler market was valued at USD 11 billion in 2024, with a projected rise to USD 17 billion by 2034 at a CAGR of 4%. Strict emission regulations globally are prompting boiler modernization and replacement, rising industrialization and infrastructure expansion, especially in developing economies, food and beverage, chemical industries driving demand for reliable steam, particularly in Asia-Pacific. Growth in natural gas boilers and dominance of condensing boiler technology at 82% share in 2024. North America market size approximately USD 2 billion in 2024, projected to reach USD 3 billion by 2034. Europe market size approximately USD 3 billion in 2024, projected to grow at CAGR over 3%. Asia-Pacific leads with USD 7 billion in 2024, holding 43% share globally with rapid industrialization driving growth. Latin America at USD 835 million, Middle East at USD 607 million, and Africa at USD 461 million show steady growth. The industrial boiler market shows robust growth across all regions, driven by efficiency demands and regulatory compliance. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.